My name is Pav and my channel is called Pav as Z, Pav as Z for all of you from United States. And my main kit is the main camera I use right now for my YouTube recording and also for commercial work. I'm a professional photographer and filmmaker as well, is this Sony a7 IV. This camera ticks all the boxes for me. I'm a hybrid shooter, so photography and video, the right resolution, the right video features for me. This camera is just right for what I do. My favorite Sony lens at the moment is this 50mm f1.2 G Master lens, the best lens ever made in my personal opinion. For video work, I do use a7 IV for autofocusing. Obviously, it does the job very well when I don't have to or don't want to be worried about the autofocusing. It nails it accurately every single time. For every other time when I'm filming B-roll or I need to be fully in control of manual focusing, I always go for my Panasonic S5 camera with manual lenses. I love this camera for many reasons. The great color, great picture, all the right settings as well for the high-end video filming in a small camera body. This Panasonic S5 is pretty much permanently in my small rig. And with both cameras, with Sony and with Panasonic, I do use Atomos Ninja 5 recorders. It is my preference, but I do get the same file format from both cameras. Very often I record the same hard drive, so I do get the same files in the same place, in the same format. Lenses for Panasonic, I am a big fan of 7 Artisans. I have used the photo lenses for filming with, but at the moment my favorite are these three set of three cinema lenses, the 85, 50 and the 35 from 7 Artisans. Very good value for money and great for this camera. For Sony cameras, I also use this new Samyang 85mm f1.4 Mark II lens. I do really like it. For anything wide angle gimbal work, vlogging, I use this Sigma 16 to 28mm f2.8 contemporary lens, and also for anything in between, I do use the lens I'm actually filming with now, the Sigma 35mm f2, because it's so small and portable. For sound, I'm using Rode NTG4 Plus, which I am actually using right now, but that requires a boom to mount from the top. When I can't do this or don't want to do it, I use a very simple Rode Wireless Go 1 with a lavalier, which I very often hide under the clothes with a special gadget. For the lighting, my main key light is very budget-friendly Colbor CL100 with the cheapest I could find 120cm softbox which goes on it. This is all great, but you don't need the latest, the most trendy, the most expensive camera or lens. They won't make you better photographer or filmmaker. Use what you have and make it work, even if it is your smartphone or any camera, any lens. They all can do great job if you put mind to it. So go out there and shoot more photos and videos. Thank you.